Hi, and welcome to the library's guide on online genealogy, ancestry, and more general history resources that we have available for you. Today, our final installment is going to be about digitized newspapers. So we go to the homepage, helpful links, one down to resources, and today we're going all the way down this list to Historic North Carolina Digital Newspaper Collection. Now, this is powered by newspapers.com, and we have access to it through NC Live. And it has a ton, as you can see right here, of digitized newspapers that are easily searchable. So I'm going to search right now for Edenton MCAS. That's the Marine Corps Air Station that was here briefly. And I'm not going to put in a date range or a location. I'm trying to get the most broad search results I possibly can. So we've got one right here from the Rocky Mount Telegram on page 5. So let's go ahead and open this. So the base was set to open March 1st. The Marine base was reactivated. And as you can see up here, this is Monday, January 24th of 1949. So the Edenton, so it highlights the words that are in your search. So Edenton, MCAS Edenton. And this just tells you a little about it being reopened. And then if we go back, we can see there's one in the Windsor Ledger that just highlights Edenton. Weekly Economist, again, just Edenton. And this is Fisherman and Farmer. So this is from 1896. It is unlikely that has anything about Edenton MCAS since it was definitely not open yet. So you can search and filter by year. So if we're going to add a date range, let's say 1900 to 2000. Actually, let's go ahead and just do it to 2024. So that way you will not get anything earlier than 1900. And still this in 1906 is not really going to be helpful if you're looking for the Marine Corps Air Base. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1930 to 2024. So this is when it gets helpful. But as you can see, it'll still highlight sections of results that are not necessarily relevant. This is about the YMCA, not the Marine Corps Air Station. This is how you use this website. It will highlight as much as it thinks is relevant to you, and then you can filter it by date, location. You can also filter by when it was added, what day of the week it was. You can sort them by best match, newest, oldest, or date added. You can filter by different newspaper titles. It looks like the most results I got from Rocky Mount Telegram, and then the least from the Independent in Elizabeth City. And you can also go by categories: pages, obituaries, marriages, enslavements. And you can reset these. So if I just want to see pages, I can hit that and then show results. And it's probably going to be the same as it was. You can filter down these matches and see when the spike was. So it looks like in 1950 there were 4, and then in 1954 there were 4 more. And you can see it's been very flat since then. There was 1 in 1999. But other than that, this hasn't been talked about in newspapers much at all since about 1965. So that is how you use the digital archives for newspapers for the Historic North Carolina Newspapers Collection. I hope you enjoy and get to use this to your best advantage, finding some fun genealogy, ancestry, and local history things. Have a good day.